Hello Leute, es ist Marseille. Guys, today I'll be showing you how you can make a ton of money in Germany. This works in every country, but it works especially well in Germany. I've got about $12,000 US dollars that I've earned in the last week by doing this. And yeah, guys, I'm going to show you how easy this is. It just takes about 5 minutes before you make your first $1,000 or 1,000 euros, for example. And guys, this is actually amazing. I'm so excited to share this with you guys because this is so valuable. You can make so much money so easily. And yeah, guys, so what you're going to do is go on the site called stacks.club. So basically, there's all these offers here, and each point is worth $1 or €1 if you are in Europe. So as you can see, there's a lot of potential to make money here. See, some offers are paying 1,500 points, and it's especially high in Germany. So I'm gonna switch over to my back camera recording so I can show you guys how to do this offer if you are in Germany. So 1 second, guys, I'm gonna switch over right now. All right, guys, so as you can see, I've got about $12,000 in my PayPal account, and so I'm gonna go over to the German website so you guys can see how to do this. So this is what it should look like if you are in Germany. And as you can see, the payouts are quite a bit higher. One is paying 2,600 euros just for this one offer here. And what you're going to do is once you click on that, it'll bring you to this page here where you just got to put in your phone number, and it's going to give you a code, and you just confirm that code back on this website, and you're going to get your points. And once you have these points, you can redeem for a reward, and the minimum reward is like really low, so it's like really easy to get. So as you can see, the minimum is $100, so you can get $2,600 or euros if you are in Germany, just from that one offer. And you can keep doing offers after that one. I believe you can't do the same offer again and again, but there are plenty of other offers that are just as good. So yeah, guys, if you are in Germany especially, you got to do this because this won't last forever. So you got to give this a try now and get that money. And yeah, it works in every other country. Like, let's say if you're in the United States, you can download a free mobile app on your phone from the website and you'll get some points. You know, still like $100 at a time is still really good. But yeah, if you are in Germany, you definitely got to do this. Like, I'll feel bad for you if you don't do this and you are in Germany. But yeah, guys, comment down below if you need help with something, or if you have a question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys, because making money is really important, and I've been buying like so many things, and you guys have been seeing me posting all these expensive items on Instagram. So you know, I decided I'm going to share what I do with you guys. It's just so easy. You got to do this. And yeah, guys, don't forget, comment down below if you need help. Like this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you can. Guys, I'm trying to grow my channel, so please do subscribe. It means a lot to me. But yeah, peace out.